friends, this is the first part of the video in which we are going to discuss NEET questions that are asked from NCERT Physics textbook class 11 part 1. Dimensions of stress are stress dimension is the question. So it's a question from units and dimensions lesson. However, there is a direct statement regarding this in mechanical properties of solids. Dimensional formula is ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. If you cannot remember it, there is one more option that you could choose. Stress is nothing but force upon area. Force upon area. It's actually restoring force upon area. Force is mass into acceleration. Acceleration itself is velocity upon time by area has L into L. Length into breadth. Breadth also have the dimension of L. So m into velocity is L by t upon t by L into L is the actual dimensional formula. Simplifying it, you will get ml power minus 1 t power minus 2. Next question. Two particles of mass 5 kg and 10 kg respectively are attached to the two ends of a rigid rod of length 1 meter with negligible mass. 5 kg mass and 10 kg mass both are attached together with a rod of negligible mass, and they are at a distance of 1 meter. So the center of mass of the system from the 5 kg particle is nearly at a distance. Center of mass from 5 kg. So take the origin as 5 kg mass. So choosing an origin also plays an important role in these kind of questions. So using the formula from the NCERT textbook, which you could see here, x equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2. So use x equal to m1 x1 plus m2 x2 by m1 plus m2, which is equal to 5 into x1 is 0 and x2 is 100 centimeter, 1 meter or 100 centimeter. The question gives the length in terms of meter, but the answer is given in terms of centimeter. So convert it into centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So x1 is 0, m2 is 10 and x2 is 100 upon m1 plus m2 5 plus 10. Simplifying it, you will get 67 centimeter as the answer. Moving on to the next question, a body weighs 72 Newton on the surface of the earth. What is the gravitational force on it at a height equal to half the radius of the earth? For this kind of question, you also have a formula from NCERT, which I am going to show you from the lesson gravitation. So this formula is important because there are two types of formulas that you can use, but you have to choose only one out of this. Use g of h is equal to g into 1 plus h by re power minus 2, where g of h is the variable acceleration due to gravity at height h. The new acceleration due to gravity at height h is equal to acceleration due to gravity on the surface of earth into 1 plus h by re power minus 2. You cannot use the formula g of h is approximately equal to g into 1 minus 2h by re, because this formula is applicable only when height is negligible when compared to that of the radius of the earth. When the height becomes comparable with the radius of the earth, like half the radius of the earth, one third the radius of the earth, or twice the radius of the earth, it's usually advisable to use the formula g of h is equal to g into 1 plus h by re the whole power minus 2. So using the formula g of h, or new acceleration due to gravity at height h is equal to g into 1 plus h by re the whole power minus 2. Since the weight is the question, multiply mass on both sides, and this turns out to be the required weight, and this is the original weight. The original weight is given as 72 Newton, or 72 Newton on the surface of Earth into 1 plus h. Height equal to half the radius of the Earth. So height equal to half the radius of Earth, the whole power minus 2. To be clear, W dash is equal to W into 1 plus height, which is RE by 2 into RE, the whole power minus 2. RE getting cancelled. There are places where you have to use height as distance from the center of the earth, but this type of question you must use height as the given question, so which is equal to half the radius of the earth, height equal to half the radius of the earth. There are certain questions where you have to calculate height from the center of the earth. Here we calculate height from the surface of the earth, and that suffices. The original weight is 72 Newton. 1 plus 1 by 2 the whole power minus 2, which is 72 into 3 by 2, or 2 by 3 the whole square. Since the power is minus 2, reciprocal it to get the power as positive and simplify it. 72 into 4 upon 9. 9 8s are 72, 8 4s are 32 Newton, and that's the answer. Okay guys, thank you for now.